can't believe
Have you come for a barbecue sausage? Have you? Looking for meat or snakes? It's a good day for that, isn't it? Yes. Not going far.
Ah,
Looking up, there must be things up there that he loves to eat, maybe spiders.
I can't believe that.
Can't you?
Ah,
Oh,
that's it's the first experience to come across a kookaburra with such a
we've tamed
close
that
distance.
one. It probably hangs around all the barbecues.
Yeah.
Right, should be practicing,
Oh, yeah.
shouldn't we?
Keep practicing, please. A and
E7, is it?
E7.